entire IT delivery model and you were to break it down, I can see it breaking it down into four major pillars, right? There is an application design part, then there is an application build part, then there is an application delivery part, and finally is the application sustenance part. And if we were to pick, what are the top 2 or 3 areas in each of these four pillars, so to say, let's say, for example, application design, how has that undergone change? So clearly, like my predecessor mentioned here, a lot of collaboration tools have now come into picture, and we are no longer, restricting ourselves to the war rooms to be able to design a particular application. And we are looking at workforce productivity management as well with remote employee engagement. The second part is that adopting digital models as a part of the design, whereby you are able to hyper personalize the customer experience that you wish to deliver. My predecessor mentioned that it's no longer a one size fits all exercise. So now digital offering and being available to your customer anytime, anywhere, as per his or her convenience, and providing the experience that he or she wants has become a core part of the design. And the third part is that a lot of businesses are now moving from a siloed approach to an ecosystem driven model, and this is very largely seen in, for example, a lot of digital companies which are coming up with next generation loyalty application models, where their offerings and the freebies are no longer restricted to their offerings. It is more around the ecosystem and partnering that is coming to the fore. Now, coming to application build, a lot of effort is now going into adopting the new age and agile technologies which we have spoken so far about. Say, for example, be it artificial intelligence, be it virtual reality, be it augmented reality, blockchain. So a lot of offerings are going, a lot of thought is going around meaningfully adopting these practices and not leaving it to chance, or not leaving the void for somebody to catch up. So, for example, even if we talk about redundant operations, a lot of thought is being going around how we can intelligently utilize RPA, or, for example, how can we intelligently utilize, say, computer vision for quality analytics. A lot of thought is going into how can connected machines come to the fore so that there is a reduced dependency on the physical presence of the operations on the shop floor. Coming to the application delivery part, and DevOps has taken center stage here. So, for example, we no longer want to rely upon larger cycles to be able to, build chunks of code, test it, and then deliver it to the customer. And by the time the customer has already tasted the product and he's made up his mind. So a lot of agility is coming into that area, as well as to how we can be nimble-footed, how can we adopt technologies faster, test them faster. If you were to fail fast and move on. Right, a lot of piloting agile deployment models, where pockets of technologies are deployed in pockets of customer markets, and then they are being rolled over to the larger markets. So that's as far as the application delivery is concerned. And finally, the sustenance is coming. Here, the focus has moved completely from how can I make my entire IT architecture landscape completely nimble-footed, whereby there is reduced dependency on physical presence, or there is reduced dependency on physical monitoring, and if it can't eliminate, at least reduce it to the best extent possible. And that's where technologies such as artificial intelligence based monitoring systems, be it SIEMs, be it XDRs, be it observability systems, all of these are coming to the fore. Now, what is driving all these four pillars, so to say, in my opinion, are four main levers. First is cloud, second is analytics, third is mobility, and the last is social. So you may call it CAMs. I don't like to use the term scam, but I would like to call it CAMs. So these are the levers which are making this new generation or the next generation thought of IT model delivery possible.